Alright guys, I'm just on the way to Sufria and we've just stopped here. Beautiful little spot, had to stop. Look at this view guys. Right, I'm just going to show around here. They're doing the new road to Sufria across here. This little stunning little hut, but check this view out of the pitons. Just take a stunning look at that view. Beautiful. Look at that. We've got a rainy, cloudy day, but it's still beautiful. Right, one second. Right, let's zoom in so you get a better view. Look at that fog just rolling off the pitons in the view. We'll try and get it as good as we can, but just take a look at that breathtaking view. Right, we're going to go up here. Let me just take a look. Right, we'll climb up here. Look at this little hut. It's like a viewpoint. Look at that view. Absolute stunning. Look at the hills up there. Absolute amazing location. As I said, you can look deep down into the dense forest down there. There you got the pitons in the distance. Don't know if you can see them very well. Stunning view. Alright guys, as we continue today's video, look at this view. This is another viewpoint. We're just heading down to Sufria. We're almost down the bottom. We just drove through the rainforest. We're halfway between Canaries and Sufria. And look at this view guys. Look at the pitons. Absolutely beautiful. And there's the village down there in the port. Just zoom in. Let's just take in this view for a little while. It's absolutely beautiful. But yeah, we're just making our way down to Sufria. This is one of the viewpoints where you can stop off at the top of the hill. You can see all the pitons up there.